Welcome back to Sharon's Crafts and More. Today I was at Michael's looking for something, some kind of floral thing, and I came across the grab bags. So I picked up 2 grab boxes. I have no idea what's inside of them. I talked to an employee and I asked them about, is it the 4th of July decor, and they said no. So let's get started and see what's in these. Ooh, there's lots of good things in here. Let's see. A sticker and embellishment box for, it looks like for a planner. Here's a sticker pouch, enjoy every moment. Stamp and stencil. Expander metal discs. It's the heart shaped. I got 1, 3 of those. There's a pink and a silver, and was it a bronze? Embellishment decorations for a planner. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. There's a marble notebook planner. Each month, to-do list. Here's an art loft bag. I got 1. Here, this opens up for canvases or pictures. These are really nice. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. Here's a tabletop, metal floor tabletop easel. This will come in handy for my son because he loves to paint. There's a color foam platter with Easter eggs. Glitter ones with the markers. Got some Funko Pops. Frozen 2 of the Anna Funko Pops. Those are cute. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. 5 of those. Okay, next is a ring bearer pillow. This is cute, burlap. Be good for somebody who gets married. I'll have to hang on to this. And I got some red Insta Bows. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those. Those will be good for Christmas, for packages, or just for bows. And next is some washi tape and a little sponge. That's cute. I like this. I can use this. I got 2 of those. Here's another Christmas bow. And these are some kind of floral lights. You can put them like in a vase with those glass beads, different colored beads. Those are really neat, different. And 4 marker, looks like I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 paint markers and pens. There's gold, silver, pink, red, yellow, and blue. Here's some planner divider things for the little planners. Got those. And there's those. Best dreams happen when you are awake. And last in this box is some cookie cutters. It says yay, hello. I think just yay and hello. Oh, 4-piece set. Okay, let's move on to the next box. Boy, this box has a lot in it too. All right, let's see what's in here. Here's a diamond dots. That looks like fun. Different. Diamond Face It art kit. Okay, and then here's a pineapple pouch full of stickers. And then a llama pouch, the stickers. Cactus pouch. And a mermaid pouch. Here's another cookie cutter set. Some tags to from. These would be good for packages or gifts, gift bags, or baking things. We put bread in a little bag, cookies. 2 of those. Here's a planner. This is nice. You could put it in your purse if you have a big purse, or just keep it. Here's another divider things for a small planner. The days, the months, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Here's another pouch of stickers. Some pretty yellow flowers. Some stickers for a planner. Some more. There's another llama pouch. Letter A monogram sticker. There's a happy memory keeping pad of paper. This is cute, has different things in it. This will come in handy. Very nice. Here's a kit on how to make paper flowers. I might try to make some paper flowers. Here's a Fuji camera case. Here's a Frozen 2 paint doll. Anna. Here's a cute mermaid pencil pouch. I like the glitter. Set of note cards, letter C, with the envelopes. Here's some more. Things for the planner, expander, metal disc, pink and gold. Here's a planner, 12-month planner. It says, let's fly away. This is really nice. Here's a planner kit. Stickers, another, I think I got one in the other box too. Lego toys. Note cards with the letter M. Envelopes. A thing of yarn. And this is a thing of yarn, and it looks like you knit it to make 2 hamburgers out of that. 2 napkins for a baby shower for a girl. It's a frozen puzzle, 200-piece puzzle. There's a monogram clip, K, letter K. It's a S monogram sticker. Got 2 of those. And another sticker for a planner. Well, there's 2 of them. And the last thing is, I don't know what this is. Alphabet punch board. I don't know what that does. I guess it punches holes or something. And that's the last thing. That's the end of my grab bags. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.